As you probably know by now, there's a major soccer tournament happening the entire summer, and as part of that, we temporarily lost our name on the stadium, which I'm fine with. I mean, it's temporary. Soon, my precious. But in the meantime, I've been staying sharp.
Lumen, the trusted network for AI. Lumen, programmable network. Lumen, one control plane. Lumen, let's go!
So when the brand comes back this summer, we're ready. Is the brand on the stadium? I ask, is the brand in your heart? That was a good one.